Math 122. Before we get to the week 3 videos on the homework, simple and compound interest, quick video about the week 2 discussion board. Just want to go over some things, what can improve. I want to point out a couple of common mistakes, make sure we understand my expectations, so that we can get solid grades for the week 3 discussion boards. Here's one post I received. Good answers, good explanations. So it looks like it'd be a solid discussion board, but this really catches my eye. That's Sunday evening, 7 o'clock. If your only post is Sunday evening, you are not going to receive full credit, because in order for it to be discussion, I am looking for a first post by Friday and then some feedback coming on the weekend for the other members in your group. Another post. I'm looking at the date. Okay, that's Saturday evening. It's a little late for a first post. I can live with that. However, that's a little harder to stomach. I'm seeing answers, and I have no idea where that comes from. Tell me what you did. Outline your process. And just because you're outlining it in math doesn't necessarily mean this is still qualifies, because I'm seeing some numbers here. Where did 2/3 come from? I need you to outline this. And not just for me. Remember, the other people in your group, they want to understand what you're doing. So make sure you outline the process. And just for comparison's sake, I'm taking another version of this, and look at these outline in words compared to what's going in green here. So definitely I'm looking for things more like this as opposed to here. Outline the process. Make that a focus for week number 3. All right, another example looking here. So this is a Sunday post, which, but you know what? This is okay, because this is about the feedback. I can deal with a Sunday post if you're telling me some feedback. Hey, you did this, makes more sense. Or, hey, there's another way, I liked what you did on number 2. This is all right. On Sunday, if you're giving some feedback, I will, that's exactly what I'm going for. If I'm going to make a comment about this student's responses, what I could say is this is sort of vague feedback. Maybe get real specific. Hey, I like what you did here. This answer was a little confusing, or specific is better. And the very last thing is, I saw some good answers, but what I'm really looking for is for you to emphasize what is your final answer. So here I'm seeing students say, okay, here's my answers for problem 2, problem 2, problem 2, problem 2. And at the end, on Sunday, the 22nd, somebody made a final answer thread, and that's where everybody can say, I think the final answer should be whatever. But really make sure you emphasize what is the group's final answer. Sometimes it's a little vague, or we had 5 different answers, and I'm saying, well, what exactly should the answer be? So keep those points in mind for discussion board going forward. And one other thing to keep in mind going forward, on Thursday in the evening, there is online tutoring for this class. Log into this website, join a meeting, and then here's the quote-unquote phone number for our class. So keep this information handy. I will also be posting it on Blackboard, but these are ways that you can get in touch for homework help. And also, I will have videos posted for week 3 on simple and compound interest coming soon.